Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Just about a week ago, I kind of threw a little teaser at you all talking about the new plugin that Qimage has created for exporting directly out of Photoshop Elements, and Lightroom. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. If you already own Qimage Ultimate, enter your email address, click check plugin pricing now, and I believe it is something around $19, almost $20, $19.95 maybe. All right, so that is it. If you do not own Qimage, then you can get a bundle for $79.99, and that is a one-time purchase. You will then have to update your Qimage once a year, again, just under $20, and you can download every single update that is progressively created for the program throughout the year. And sometimes there's like 10 or 15 different updates. So you get all of those for free included in that once a year update price. All right, so let's go ahead and install the plugin. Go to my downloads. Here it is, the Qimage Adobe plugin. Double click. Next, next, and next. Done. All right, so now all we have to do, let's work out of Photoshop 1 second. We'll open up one of my favorite images, and let's assume that I have already done all of my edits. And say, for instance, what if I had 2 or 3 images and I wanted to print them? Well, I have to print them one by one. I cannot do multiple print jobs. Lightroom allows you to print multiple images, which is really good, but Qimage just simply does a slightly better job. So let's go ahead and take advantage of that new feature, this plugin that's available, by clicking on File, Automate, Qimage Ultimate. And here is the image exported. All I have to do now is load it. If I want to resize it, I can do so. And click on Print, assuming that I have all of my settings correctly set, the right printer for the job, right paper, and the ICC profile. I can just click on Print and it is done. Let's go ahead and go back to Photoshop. We'll close that and I'll show you how it works out of Lightroom. And this is what is really neat about this. I have 4 images selected, and I want to print them all in Qimage. Of course, I can do so in Lightroom as well. I have 1 out of 4 here. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and export those out as well. So we're going to go to Plugin Extras, Qimage Ultimate, and within a few seconds, all 4 of those files will be exported to Qimage. And I can then add that to that already existing file that I had there. It will remember. So I have all of those files loaded, ready to go. And again, as long as my settings are correct, all I got to do is hit print, and I will print those 5 consecutive images. Easy as pie. And of course, Qimage Ultimate has that deep focus sharpening filter, which is superior to anything I have ever used. It automatically up-reses regardless of what the size, whether it's large, small, medium, of the print that you are going to do. It has many, many other options here. Again, the thing you have to get used to is the different user interface. It is like nothing you've ever been accustomed to in the photographic digital editing field. So it's something that you just simply have to learn. And once you learn it, you will never walk away. All right, so that is it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And until the next time, happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.